Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm one busy mama and I finally got my Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the month of May and it's $12 a month. So let's see what we got. No extras. This is the bag. It's nice. It's got like flower print here. You have this rose gold tassel. It says Ipsy. It's a card. Flower Power is for the month. We love moms. Mother's Day gift. It's a little late, but okay. So it does tell us the items in the bag and retail full size value. So first thing I see is Golfaden MD Solution Pure Start Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size would be $35. So this is a nice thing to start with. 0.68 fluid ounces or 20 mLs. Next is Hey Honey Boost It Up Honey Rich Moisturizer Deluxe Sample. Full size is $52. I like that it's pink. Can you guys see it's pink? And there's a seal. This is all day, long lasting, 15 mLs. Really nice. Next is Pixie. Oh, this is nice. Pixie by Petra. This is Peony Bloom is the color. So this is also a deluxe sample. Full size would be $14. It's a Lip Lift Max. I like the color. Kind of mauve-y. What else? What else? 5 products. So this is Basic Beauty Translucent Primer. This is full size. $16. This is 0.38 ounces, 10 mLs. Color is translucent. It says Smooth and Blur Primer. This does not look like full size. So that's what it says on the card. Usually it'll tell you what it is, but all right. Last, we have Lottie London. AM to PM eyeliner in black. Full size would be $5.95. So this is full size for sure. It's not a tiny little sample. And it is totally sealed. It's cruelty free. So here are our 5 items plus the bag. We have a facial cleanser, a lip plumper too, moisturizer, a primer, and an eyeliner. So it's like basic starter kit, which is really cool. I like this bag because it is sample size, fun size, travel size, and every now and then you'll get a full size item. So this would be considered full size to me. The primer it's not, but I like the bag and everything fits in there. Nice and convenient. And that's why I like Ipsy. So let me know guys down below what your thoughts are. Do you like this $12 sample size? Or do you like getting full size products? Let me know in the comments. And as always, stay safe.